Hey, Juan here, and in this video, I'm going to share with you a new Facebook update that allows you to look at your competitors' ads. Now, just to kind of give you an idea here, the previous version of this update was where we could see the ads here on the Facebook page of the actual brand or the business here. We had a section here where it had info and ads, and a lot of people in different marketing groups that I'm involved in were kind of saying that it was going to be a bummer and that it sucks that they're no longer available, but it's actually still available to look at your competitors' ads. You just got to go to a different place, and I want to show you where you can go to get those ads that are still going to pull up of your competitors, so you can look at their copy, use them as references, and be able to use ideas. The new area that you want to go to when you're looking at your competitors' ads is down here, and you're going to go to the page transparency. This is a new area that was just added there, I believe just recently, when they took away the info and ads. And you got to understand that Facebook is constantly upgrading, updating the platform, so you may find things that were there available a day ago, 2-3 days ago, a week ago, and now they're gone or they're in a different place. So is this part of the game of Facebook, right? You got to roll with the punches, you got to evolve with the time. So let's go over here, see more. We go to the ads right here, view in the ad library, and so automatically it's going to take us to the ClickFunnels ads here. And so we can go down here and look at the active ads, inactive ads. This is a powerful tool here. Really look at kind of what ads that these guys are running here as far as ClickFunnels, so we can use them for ideas. But the info and ad section is still available. It's just essentially moved to a different place. So I just wanted to create this quick video in here to give you an update that, the info and ads just moved, but it's still available for you to take a look at. I mean, this is something where you can come in here and really type in any type of brand or business and pull up their ads. Let me go back over here. The easiest way is just simply come in here to the actual Facebook business page, right, fan page, and then literally go down here to page transparency, see more, and you're good to go. And so that's going to be good for any particular Facebook page. That's going to be the new strategy for you doing your research to look at your competitors' ads and use them as references and as guides. So that's it for this video here, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.